Those of you who have been itching to talk about blockchain and Web 3.0, let me introduce you to Philip.
Hey, Carmen. Thanks for that introduction. My name is Philip, and I'm the Customer Success Manager and European Director of Sales here at Athstat. Over the course of the last few months, we've been working on utilizing blockchain technologies for athletes and sports clubs and even their fans via NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens. So to quickly summarize, for those of you that may not know, a blockchain is a system in which a record of transactions made in cryptocurrencies are maintained across several computers that are linked together. Transactions are also completely anonymous, which is why so many people are jumping on the Ethereum and Bitcoin train right now. NFTs are built on the same technologies as blockchains and cryptocurrencies in order to keep them secure and unique, but they're not digital money. Instead, they represent like real world things like art, music, videos, and even real estate. Because NFTs are unique, they typically only have a limited supply, which makes them very popular. As the more notoriety and demand an NFT receives, the more valuable it becomes. However, they're not just for trading and investment, but also, you know, the same way somebody collects stamps or baseball cards, you know, when you own an NFT, it's yours. Like there's only a limited supply and only that limited amount of people own it. So to kick off our venture into the crypto NFT world, we've opened our own storefront on OpenSea. We've taken our in-house English Premier League predictions, which Nyasha just explained, and we're giving away access to those predictions to anyone who owns an Athstat EPL NFT. So let me show you guys what that looks like. We have our collection. So to find us, first you would go to OpenSea.io, and then in search, just start typing Athstat, and right there you'll see Athstat store. So you just click on that. This is what our store looks like, and then these are the NFTs. This is what they look like. So we do post these every week for the upcoming predictions, and you'll notice you'll see duplicates. So there's like 2 NFTs for game week 30, 2 for game week 31. That is because we sell on both the Ethereum mainnet as well as the Polygon Matic network. The reason why we do that is because while Ethereum is the most popular, especially in the NFT space, it accounts for well over 90% of all NFT transactions. The unfortunate truth about the Ethereum mainnet is that it's very slow. The more transactions that are happening at a specific time, the more expensive the gas fees become, because the more calculations those network computers have to perform. So to mitigate that, Polygon is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. They use proof of stake so that they can get through the transactions much quicker. And also they process, I believe off the top of my head, I can't remember, but I think it was something like 60,000 transactions per second. So it's much faster than Ethereum mainnet. And this basically makes gas fees very low, or in a lot of cases, even, you know, non-existent. So that's why we, but it's not as widespread as Ethereum. So that's why we offer people a choice. If you don't want to deal with a layer 2 and you just want to go straight to Ethereum, we have that for you. If you do want to save some money on gas fees, then, you know, we also offer you the opportunity to get it through the Polygon blockchain. Now, for those of you who definitely do not want to go the Polygon route, or you want to stick to Ethereum mainnet, but are worried about gas fees, I have the first piece of advice I can give you is buy when the United States is sleeping. Or if you are in the United States and, you know, that might be a little bit hard to do it early in the morning, because that's when traffic is the lowest. That's when you'll see the lowest gas fees. The other thing, while we have been hearing Ethereum talk about proof of stake for a long time now, it actually does look like it's going to happen in the very near future. So the upgrade on the Ethereum blockchain will happen, and it'll be a lot faster, and this will dramatically decrease the price of the transactions. So once you get an NFT, let's look at game week 29, for example. So once you own the NFT, you're going to see here that says reveal unlockable content. So once you click on that, EPL AI prediction game week 29. So you click this, and then you have your predictions right here. So this is what you get. Now, very soon we will also be releasing tokenized NFTs that will allow you to gain access to a dashboard similar to what Nyasha just showed you, where instead of, you know, getting an NFT every week with the predictions already done for you, you will be able to buy a token that gives you access to the actual dashboard, and then you will be able to fill in your own values. Look at the data that is important to you, whether it's for your fantasy team or you're doing betting or whatever it is. And then lastly, and I can't speak on this too much because we're not ready to announce it, but we will be launching our first NFT collectible, and it's going to be Beast, world-renowned rugby superstar. We are working closely with him to get a great NFT into you guys' hands. So watch our space for that. So LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I hope all that made sense. Carmen, back to you.
That was great, Philip. I certainly learned something about blockchain and Web 3.0, and I really hope that those who are watching have as well.